Just weeks after the world thought that the Iran crisis was cooling down, the United States has once again tightened the screws on Tehran. Washington has reimposed sanctions on Iranian oil exports after attacks on commercial ships near the Strait of Hormuz, sending crude oil prices higher and raising fresh fears about global oil supply or even energy security. So, why has the US reversed the course? Following the Iran conflict, the United States had temporarily eased sanctions on Iranian oil exports as a part of diplomatic understanding. The idea was simple: allow Iran to sell oil for a limited period while both sides work towards a broader agreement. The temporary license was expected to remain in place until late August, but that plan has now been cut short. According to the United States, three commercial oil and LNG tankers were attacked in and around the Strait of Hormuz using drones and projectiles. Now, Washington has blamed Iran for the attacks, calling them a clear violation of the understanding between the two countries. In response, the Trump administration has revoked the sanctions waiver, giving companies only a short window to wind down purchases of Iranian crude before the restrictions fully return. So, why is this such a big deal? Because Iran exports millions of barrels of oil every day, with China being its biggest customer. If Iranian oil becomes harder to buy, global supplies tighten, and whenever supply fears rise, oil prices usually follow. That's exactly what happened. Brent crude jumped about $76 per barrel, while US crude also surged as traders began pricing in the risk of fresh disruptions in one of the world's most important energy corridors. The real concern, however, is the Strait of Hormuz. Nearly one-fifth of the world's oil trade passes through this narrow waterway. Any attack on ships traveling through the Strait of Hormuz immediately raises fears that the supply could be disrupted. Insurance costs could also rise and shipping could also become more expensive. Even if the route remains open, markets react to the possibility of future disruptions. For India, the implications are significant. India imports more than 85% of its crude oil requirements. Higher global oil prices can raise the country's import bill, weaken the Indian rupee. Fuel inflation could rise and it could make petrol and diesel and LPG even more expensive over time if elevated prices persist. Industries that depend heavily on fuel, from aviation and logistics to manufacturing, could also face higher costs. The bigger question now is whether this is just a temporary escalation or the beginning of another prolonged confrontation between Washington and Tehran. If diplomatic talks collapse and attacks continue, oil markets could become more and more volatile. But if tensions ease, prices may stabilize once again.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.